Meaning of inappropriacy.
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 Inappropriacy. The term inappropriacy refers to something that is not suitable, fitting, or proper for a particular context or situation. This can refer to behavior, language, clothing, or any other action or expression that goes against social norms or expectations. Inappropriate behavior or language can lead to negative consequences such as offending others, creating an uncomfortable or hostile atmosphere, or even legal repercussions. It is important to consider the appropriateness of one's actions and words in different contexts to avoid negative outcomes and maintain positive relationships with others.